Good morning class 5th. This is your third video of computer. Today we will be continue from generations of computer. Okay. Each development phase of computer is known as generation of computer. Okay. Following table shows the various features of computer in different generations. There are 4 teachers in this table. You can see first generation, second generation, third generation and fourth generation. One by one we will discuss all these generations. Okay, we will see differences between all these generations. First generation, it is developed between 1942 1956 and second 1956 to 1964 and third 1964 to 1971 and fourth is 1971 to 1980. Got it? In this generation, scientists use vacuum tubes. Okay, and in this generation, use of transistor made of silicon or germanium. Okay, it is made by silicon and germanium. And use integrated circuit ICs used by third generation. Okay, and fourth, smaller and faster integrated circuit. Okay, now huge and clumsy computers. These computers are very big, very large in size, like a room, and it was clumsy means it was not looking very nice and very attractive. Got it? Because its size was very large. It looks like our room, like a bedroom. Got it? Comparatively smaller in size, and second generation computer was comparatively first generation computer was smaller. Okay, smaller, faster and portable, and third generation computer was smaller than second generation and it is also portable. We can carry from one place to another. Got it? Smaller in size, faster, reliable, accurate and portable. And fourth generation computer was smaller than third generation computer and reliable and accurate and also portable. We can carry from one place to another and we can also reliable. We can trust on it. Okay. Now, high consumption of electricity and high maintenance. Because due to its size was very large. That's why it high consumption of electricity takes and it take also high maintenance. Okay. Now, second generation, lower consumption of electricity and high maintenance. Okay, lower consumption of electricity in compared to first generation. And third, lower consumption of electricity in compared to second generation and comparatively low maintenance. Okay. Now, fourth, more powerful, compact and low maintenance. Its size will be low, so consumption will also low and maintenance will be also low. Got it? Produce large amount of heat because its size was very large. That's why it is producing large amount of heat. Generated less heat because its size will be reduced. That's why it is generated less heat. Got it? Comparatively generated less heat. It is also comparatively second generation generated less heat. Okay, because its size also now smaller. Comparatively generated less heat. Again it is generated less heat because its size is comparatively of third generation or second generation, first generation is smaller. Understand? Input given through punch card and paper tapes. Input device is using punch card and paper tapes. Input was provided with punch card buffered onto a tape. Input through keyboard, mouse, output was displayed on a monitor and printout. Okay, in third generation we are using keyboard as an input device, output as a we are getting output by the monitor and printer by the printout by the printer. Okay, use of personal computer leading to internet and networking system. And fourth generation computer we are using personal computer and we are also working by networking. Okay, internet. Magnetic tapes used for storing. In first generation computer we are using magnetic tapes for storing data. In second generation, printed output was obtained through the line printers. Large capacity magnetic disk and tape were used for data storage. Magnetic disk and tips were used for data storage. Storage device with high capacities. We are using storage device with high capacity. Now, program in machine language. In first generation, computer program was written in machine language. Okay, programming machine language and assembly language. Now, assembly language are comes in second generation computer. Programming, we are writing now programming in high level language. What was your high level language? COBOL and Pascal. And in fourth generation computer are using programming language, high level language, which C++, Java, all are high level language. Got it? Now examples of computer: ENIAC, ADVAC, and UNIVAC. And second generation IBM 1400, IBM 7049 series, and UNIVAC 1108. Okay. Now third generation IBM 360 series, and fourth generation IBM PC Apple Macintosh. Areas of application were mainly government projects. Only that time only government projects can be used this computer, education and engineering. On that time we are using computer only for specific areas, and very necessarily areas we are using computer, like government project, education system and engineering. Okay, areas of application in second generation were mainly business, scientific and engineering. And third generation again business, education, scientific and engineering. And fourth generation simulation and virtual reality, multimedia. Simulation means three-dimensional. We are using in three-dimensional project, and virtual reality is your technology. Okay, and multimedia we are also using. You know all that. And no more. This is your again homework. You have to write. You have to read this column by yourself. Okay. Now come on the fifth generation of computers, 1980 to tomorrow. The era of artificial intelligence. This is era of artificial intelligence. Now we have to develop beta robot artificial intelligence. Okay, the researchers and scientists are working on new technology, and a lot more change in technology had to come. Okay, this technology we are developing now. This generation of computer is considered to be still in the developmental phases. We are development. These computers are developmental phases. Okay, we are developing this technology. We are working on this technology nowadays. It has the following features. Machines are based on artificial intelligence or AI, capable of understanding human speech. For example, Cortana, Siri, and with surrounding. Voice recognition is and will be an important form of input along with other devices. We will be use ultra large scale integration chip are expected to house millions of transistors. Millions of transistors will be consist on this chip. Okay, ULSI chip. The example of fifth generation computer are Siri, Cortana, Alexa, robots, and so on. Now, characteristics of a computer. A computer has many advantages as it helps to do the following. First is speed. It can perform calculation with the large numbers within seconds. Everyone knows that. Accuracy. It always gives correct answers. It always gives correct answer unless you give wrong instruction. Okay. Unless user will give wrong instruction. Accuracy. Diligence. It does not feel bored or tired and does not lack concentration even after continuously working for hours. It can work for hours without introducing any error. Okay, it never feels bored or tired. Okay, it is the advantage of computer. And characteristics of computer: diligence. Now, reliability. It is dependable. It does not forget anything. Okay, it never forget anything. Always learn. Okay. Huge storage capacity. Everyone knows this. Computer has large storage capacity. It can store large amount of information. Versatility. Versatility means the capability of a computer to perform different kinds of work with same accuracy and efficiency. For example, solve a large number of calculations within seconds, write stories and poems, share and learn new things, pay bills, chat with friends, play games, do online tests, make presentations, send emails. Okay. Now limitations of a computer. Computer has a few following disadvantages. First is it has zero IQ. Got it? It has zero IQ. It cannot take decision on its own. Computer never take decision by themselves. Okay? It needs a human to give instruction. Whenever human will give instruction, then it will be work. Okay? Sitting too close to the monitor can also strain our eyes. It will be affect your eyes. Okay? Continuous working or playing on computer may lead to back pain or neck strain. Desktop computer can work only when there is electricity. Everyone knows that. PC only work whenever electricity supply. And laptops, tablets until battery is charged. If your battery is charged, laptop and tablets will work. In case of virus attack, you may lose your important file. If virus attack, then you can lose your important data. Shopping or paying bills through the internet may lead to trouble because of traffic. Okay. People may hack your account. People also hack your account, steal your password. They can steal your password and may send wrong information in your name. This is a computer crime. It is called computer crime. You should be careful while entering password or sharing personal information on the internet. Got it? Now, what is the microprocessor? A single electronic chip that could do all the processing of a full-scale computer. It is a small chip that can do all the processing working. Okay? Understand, students? If there is any problem in this chapter, you can ask to me and you can contact to me if there is any doubt. And all these exercises and question answers I will be provide you in PDF, so you have to write in your computer notebook copy. Okay? Thank you, friends. Good day. Stay home. Stay safe.